Hi Agentblazers. In this video, we are going to cover another module which is Quick Start. Build an agent to create code fast, which falls under Become an Agent Innovator 2026. And this module contains only one challenge, so let's begin with that. By going through this module, I come to know to complete this, we need to be sign up for a developer or to avail the special configuration. So for signing up a developer edition for a special configuration relevant to the task, we have to be follow some instruction. So let's click on the URL which will open up the org sign up form. So this is the developer org sign up form where we just need to be fill up the general information, and once we have fill up the information we just need to be check this box and click on sign me up button. Once we have fill up the developer org sign up form, Salesforce will prepare the org and send us an activation email where we just need to be click on the link and verify our account. Once we have verified our account and configure the username password, we will be able to log in into a developer edition. Once we have our developer edition relevant to the task, we have to be connect that org to our Trailhead account to avoid the multiple logins throughout the challenge. So to do that, we have to be connect the developer org. So one way is that we need to go to the bottom of the Trailhead module where we can see our hands-on org. In the drop down, we can connect another org. To connect the org, we need to be click on the three dot beside the hands-on challenge. So let's click on that, and there we will be finding a connect org option. So we need to click on that, and which will open up a login detail page where we just need to fill our username password and allow Salesforce to validate the credential. And here Salesforce is just asking allow the access so that they can maintain the access and we don't need to be have a trouble while configuring and login again and again to the org. So just we need to allow it. Once we have granted the access, Salesforce will transfer us to the Trailhead page where it will ask us, would you like to save the login credential or not? So Salesforce also recommended we have to be yes and save, so that we should save it this credential with our Trailhead account just to avoid multiple login throughout the challenge. So yes, click on this. So after saving it, Salesforce will transfer us back to the page from where the request has been initiated or the last Trailhead page which is being accessible by at the browser. So we are able to see this is being transferred to the page from where request has been initiated, and if we can go to at the bottom we will be able to see our org has been connected to the Trailhead account. So let's launch the org and we'll continue to the challenge. So going to the top, again reviewing the challenge description here. So to start with the challenge, we need to be go to setup, search the Salesforce price setup, and we just need to be click on sync and confirm to start the syncing. The next step is that we need to go to the setup again. We need to turn on the Einstein so that we can work with the Agentforce. So let's do that. So first setup, we need to search this and we need to click on sync. There should be a sync button. Yes, and we need to confirm it. So it is starting syncing. Again, we need to go to Einstein. So Einstein setup, where we just need to be turn on the Einstein, and once it is being on, we just need to be refresh the page to make sure we are able to see other options, just like it's shown in the screenshot. We need to okay, so there we need to be go to the another one which is Einstein for sales. Let's go to search Einstein for sales. Here we need to turn on this, and this is always being done, so we are good. And it says they are setting up something, so we need to give them a time. So let's refresh the page again. So yeah, the next step is that we need to be enable Agentforce agents. Yeah, We can see these steps has been turned on and both are enabled as per the screenshot. So the next step is that we need to be enable agent for agent. We need to be search the same into setup and turn on the agent for toggle, and then we just need to be refresh the browser. So let's go to the org. We already open up the setup. We just need to be search, and then we need to be toggle this on as a Agentforce. And once this has been on, either if page is refreshed to show the agent is fine, else refresh the page. And now the next step is that actual building the agent. So we need to click on new agent, where we need to select employee agent. We need to make sure we should uncheck the general FAQ. Then we need to collect next. Then we need to fill up the general information. So till that I can copy the API name of the agent and then follow the step. So we need to click on new agent, which will open up a new tab. That is fine. We need to select agent for employee agent. Click on next, uncheck this one, and replace the API name and just paste the agent name. It will auto populate the API name. Now we need to copy the description, leave it as it is, roll it as it is. Just copy the company and check the checkbox. Company, we need to check the checkbox and click on the next. And nothing we need to do it here. We just need to be click on create, and then we need to follow the other instruction of the agent configuration. So now while this is being done, we can read the instruction. We need to click on new, then select a asset from the library, which is okay. Then we need to select code management, so we can copy this, and we just need to finish activate it if any error pop up. So we just need to say ignore and activate. So new, add from asset library, code management, and we just need to be click finish. And before activating, I would suggest let's click on refresh first to make sure we are not missing anything, and then we can just activate it, ignore and activate. Here we can see one thing. We can make sure and compare with the screenshot. Yeah, this is being said general FAQ, but they mentioned like we need to be uncheck general FAQ, so that is fine. Okay, that will not make any issue at the moment. So now test the agent, copy this, it will prompt laptop basic bundle. Then we again need to try please show me the code. Let's paste the content, and whatever it's going to be shared, we just need to be asked please show me the code. Okay, I think it's creating something. Let's wait. Okay, while it is analyzing, okay, the things are sorted out. That is connecting the dots. We can going through with the another instruction which we need to be do. Yeah, see, this has been created. We just need to be click please show me the code. That means whatever record they have created, they will show us. Yeah, we can see code has been generated with the laptop basic bundle which is mentioned in the document. So that is correct. Now we need to copy this again, and once it is being done, when you are done, we need to click back arrow to exit the agent builder. Okay, so that means we are just going to be say great, can you please add 5 unit of the handset. Okay, so it is just going to be add one more product, I guess, which with the 5 unit in the same code. And yeah, this is being added. If you want to see, you can just copy and paste it again, it will show you the code. Else we just need to be go back to exit the agent builder. Yeah, so it didn't create a new one, it just appended to the existing code, so that is fine. Now, proceeding with the next step, which says provide sales rep access to the agent. So we need to go to agent builder. We are still on that. That is fine. We need to click on permission set. We need to create a new one. Here we need to copy the permission set label. API name will be auto generated. That is fine. We can leave the description, leave the license, and we just need to be save it, and then we just need to be update the agent accesses. Okay, that's cool. We are going to be create a permission set. It is something way of assigning or granting the access of the agent either at the profile level or the permission level. So we are going with the permission level, and at the bottom there is a agent access. So there are two ways: one via the permission set, one via the agent builder. So it will be the same. We need to edit it, we need to select the agent, we just need to drop it, save it, and then we need to manage an assignment. We need to add assignment to our login user, which is system administrator, and then we just need to be save it. Yes, yes, yes. So let's go and assign it to the system administrator user. It is going to be here. Then we need to add assignment, where it's just going to be all of the user, and we just need to be select our administrator user. It seems here, so no worries, we can filter it out. Yeah. Okay, no worries, we can search which we need to assign. Manage and select system admin. You are logged in and click next. Okay, so we need to be select our user. Yes, that is fine. Next and assign. Now we need to be generate a code that is going to be the real test, I guess. So let's go. We need to click on app launcher. We need to select revenue cloud, and from where we need to be open up account tab, and where we need to be open up this HMXC account. Then we need to click on Agentforce icon. So yeah, cool. We are going to be work with the actual live scenario as a sales user or the internal user, where we need to go to account, where we just need to be select all account. This is the HMXC, and we just need to be click on the agent builder, which will enable our agent with this current record. Now actual thing comes, working with agent using the prompt. Copy this, it will prompt the office upgrade, please show me the code. Okay, please show me the code. Now what it's going to do, it is going to create a code for this account with the 15 unit of handset product, which will apply the 15% discount. Now it shows the opportunity again. So what they ask us to do, uh, if prompted, we need to select office upgrade. Correct, this is already been selected, office upgrade. So we are good as per the instruction. We need to give some time to the agent to process the request, analyze and find the correct action, and then perform it to generate the everything as per the request. So yeah, it has been generated. We just need to be request again to see the code details. While it is fetching the code, we can go and understand another ask, which is it just asking to change the discount for the first product to the 10%. So that is also fine, because I think it will be doing something different. Yeah, it's a 10%, that is correct. And we can compare that as well. We need to click on we need to click the opportunity from the conversation panel. Then we need to go to related, we need to see the down the code, and we can see this is being there. Then we need to click on email code. Okay, we need to click on the email code by clicking on drop down menu. Sure. So there we will be having opportunity. That's correct. We are able to see that. We can close this as of now, and in the related we will be able to see some codes. Right now we are only able to see two. I think that is also fine. Code for our office upgrade. Sure, no worries. Then we can just go and click on sending email. When prompt no, send through the sandbox. Click on the drop down menu upper right corner email code. Send the code to the enter following description and draft with Einstein. So it is not there. Where we need to we do, maybe we missed something. Scroll the down related list. Okay, we need to go to the code record. So we will go to the code, this one, and yes, here we will be able to find it because we can see the similar UI as per the screenshot. So here we can see email code, and here if it is populating, we just need to be say no, send through the Salesforce. Now we just need to be select the contact, define the subject. Okay, so let's go and select this, define the subject, and there will be a button draft with Einstein. So let's give them a time to populate it. Then we need to click on create and code, continue, done, and send. Okay, we'll see what we need to do. Use pre-made instruction. Okay, then we need to say create code email. Okay, then select the code. That's something they said, most recent code, then continue. Okay, now the Einstein or agent is going to be work on this to prepare the draft. So yeah, and then we just need to be click on done and then just send. Whatever it did, it is fine. Then we just need to be validate the steps. So yeah, let's try to see did we perform all of the steps successfully or not. Cool, we are able to finish another module, which is quick start, build an agent to create codes fast. That is a very cool thing, and we are able to achieve it in a single go. That's a great. So thanks for watching, and do let us know what next we should try it, so that we should try it and draft a video as a learning perspective. Thank you.